So what should I plant? Brassicas. There's basically four, okay? So you've got rape and kale. Those are your big leafy ones, okay? And then you've got turnips and radishes. Those are the ones that have the tubers, you know, and they also, that's a turnip or radish right there. But it also has, you know, a pretty good leaf too. But these are basically the four. There's others. That's the ones you'll usually see planted. Brassicas are best planted alone or no more than 1 to 2 pounds per acre in mixture. You have to look at the seed rate. A lot of these are 5, 7, 8 pounds per acre. So if you plant that in combination with a cereal grain or clove or anything, you know what it's going to do? It's going to shade it out. It's going to take over. It's well adapted to cold weather. You're not going to kill these with cold weather. They'll begin to turn purple after a frost. Use large amounts of forage with protein exceeding 25%. So anytime you get that much protein, which most of these plants we're talking about up there in the 20s on protein, and it produces large amounts of forage. Again, it's that biomass. I mean, they make a lot of stuff. They can be good. May receive more use after frost. We talked about possible. Deer may have to become accustomed to using them. That's what I said when we first started. All I can say is try them. Last year, and I'm going to show you a plot in just a minute, I had really good luck with them. And I hadn't had that great before. But for some reason, a lot of people think it may be kind of a learned habit. It's just something they haven't tried. Austrian winter peas. You know, I made the mention that I don't plant clover because I flood. Here's my lagoon that I put in with my mix. I'm always going to have, I may have some plots with just some brassicas in it, but I'm always going to have mostly combinations, and I'm going to have a cereal grain in there because I don't think you can beat wheat or oats. I mean, they're relatively inexpensive. They're really easy to get up. So I'm going to have them, but I plant a lot of times, I'll plant Austrian winter peas with them. They do well in well-drained sites, can tolerate wetter sites. I can attest to that. They can be easily overgrazed or planted alone. They're very tender. They're very succulent. Deer really like them. So they'll go for it. So they can take them out if you plant them by themselves. But if you plant them in these mixtures, it takes the grazing pressure off of them. So it's just another good species that can be planted, especially if you're not planting clover.